Hello friends, I am Kapil Chauhan. Welcome to my channel Technical Academy. In this presentation we learn about the working of P-Channel and N-Channel JFET. For the reminder purpose I would like to tell you that working of both P-Channel and N-Channel are similar. So we will discuss about common working of JFET.
Now we will discuss about the working of JFET. When voltage VDS is applied between the drain and source terminals and gate terminal voltage is 0, the two p-in junctions at the sides establishes depletion layers. The circuit diagram is shown below.
The electrons flow from source to drain through the channel between the depletion layers. The width of these depletion layers determine the width of the channel and hence the current conduction through the bar.
Now, when a reverse voltage VGS is applied between the gate and the source terminals, the width of depletion layers is increased and thus decreases the width of the conduction channel, thereby increasing the resistance of conduction channel. Consequently, the current from source to drain is decreased. On the other hand, when the reverse voltage VGS is decreased, the width of depletion layer also decreases. Hence, the width of conduction channel increases and the resulting source to drain current. Therefore, the current from source to drain can be controlled by the application voltage electric field on the gate terminal. For this reason it is known as field effect transistor. Hence, the JFET operates on the principle that the width and resistance of conduction channel can be varied by changing the reverse voltage VGS.
Now we will discuss about the curve showing the relation between the drain current, ID, and the drain source voltage, VDS, at constant gate source voltage, VGS, is known as the output or drain characteristics of JFET. The equivalent circuit diagram and the output characteristics of JFET is shown below. Thanks for watching this video. If you really like this video, then press the like button, hit the subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Share this video as much as you can with your friends.